Some time ago, I made a video on how to create business PayPal account for those of us living in countries that PayPal doesn't work. So I made that video and a lot of people have been having some issues withdrawing their moolah. So this video is all about teaching you how you can withdraw your money directly to your bank account at the current black market rate. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Right before you, I'm going to be linking my US bank account, and I'm also going to be showing you in real time how to withdraw your money from this account. So to get started, all you have to do is to sign into your PayPal account and scroll all the way down to where you find link and confirm my debit or credit card. So here you can see that it's giving us two options, either for us to link our bank account or link our card. Now, if you have a USD card of any bank whatsoever in any country you are in, just go ahead and put in the card details here and you're good to go. But if you don't want to go through all the hassle of opening a new bank account and getting a new dollar card and all that, then you have to use your US bank account. If you don't have a US bank account yet, click here to learn how you can create your own US bank account from the comfort of your home without any hassle whatsoever. I will also leave the link in the description so that you can watch it after watching this video. Of course, in less than 5 minutes, you'll be able to create your own US bank account and you'll be good to go. So let's fire on. So here you're going to click on link a new bank. So right here, we're going to be putting the details of our US bank account. So let's quickly go over to where I have that opened. So we're going to go to our geekpay.com, and then once you're here, you come over to wallets, and then you're going to see your bank details. All you have to do next is to click on view details. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to copy this routing number, okay? And then we'll come over to our PayPal account and put in the routing number here. Okay, then our account number, we're going to go back to GeekPay again, and then we'll copy the account number like this. Okay, copy the account number like this, come over to our PayPal account and put in our account number and click on agree and link. Okay, now it wants to verify that I'm the one that is trying to link a bank account to my PayPal account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on have us call, because sometimes the text doesn't come immediately. So I'm going to click on have us call, and I'm going to click on next. And then once you receive a call, you're going to put in this number. So now the identity has been confirmed, as you can see. So here PayPal is trying to confirm that I'm the rightful owner of this bank account. So they've sent some cents to my bank account, and they want me to confirm the exact amount that is sent to the bank account. So make sure you get the exact number. So we're going to go over to our GeekPay right now and see how much was deposited by PayPal.
A few moments later.
The standard time for you to receive any deposit that was made to your GeekPay account is usually between 1 business day to 2 business days. But technically, from my experience, you get it in less than 12 hours, as long as it was made during the week, right? Between Monday to Friday. If the transaction was done during the weekend, you might probably not get it that weekend till the next business day. But during weekdays, you usually get it in less than 12 hours. I think it took about 4 hours before I received mine. So now I'm going to go over to GeekPay, get the exact deposit amount, and I'm going to insert it here and confirm my bank. So here on my GeekPay, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on transactions. So here is the deposit that PayPal made to my GeekPay account, and as you can see, this first one is $0.18 and this one is $0.02. Okay, so let's go ahead and impute these figures to our PayPal account. So here we'll put 18 cents. So here we'll put 0.2. Okay, and then you click on confirm, and yes, our bank account has been confirmed, as you can see here. And all you need to do next is to click on done. So here you can see our PayPal account is ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and make a withdrawal from my PayPal account to my US bank account, and then I'm going to make a withdrawal from my US bank account to my Naira account, and I'm going to show you guys all of that. So please stay with me. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and close this right now. I'm so excited. Are you? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you have not liked this video by now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and smash that like button and let me know if you love the video. If you're you're getting value from this video in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. So here we have this now. So all we have to do now is to withdraw this money here. So I'm going to go ahead. So all I have to do right now is to click on transfer money. So here you have two options, the instant transfer and the standard transfer. For instant transfer, you're going to pay 1% charges for the transfer for it to be instant for you. But if you don't want that, you can go over to standard. Standard is when you can now withdraw to your bank account and then from your bank account to your local bank account. But for instant withdrawal, you have to use your bank debit card. So if you have your dollar card, you can now withdraw directly to your bank debit card and then you're good to go. You can now go to bank and withdraw the physical dollar and then use it to do whatever you want to use it for. But we're going to be using the standard withdrawal, which is going to drop directly to our US bank account. So let's go ahead and click on standard. So here you have these three options. So if you don't have your bank account linked already, it gives you an opportunity for you to link that here now, or your debit card. If you want to use your debit card still, you can just go ahead and link that here now. But as you can see, I already have our US bank account linked, and you can see here there is no fee. They're not charging for the transfer, so I'm going to get the exact $200 that I want to withdraw, and then it transfers typically in 1 to 3 business days. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So here it's asking me for the amount I want to withdraw, and I want to withdraw $200 from this PayPal account. So all I have to do is to click on next. But if you want to withdraw maybe $100, all you have to do is to come over here and write $100 here if you want to withdraw $100. If you want to withdraw $50, you go ahead and put it here and withdraw $50. But I want to withdraw $200, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it at $200. And as you can see, again, fee, no fee. But if you're using the instant option, you're going to be paying 1%, and we don't want to pay that. So we're going to go ahead and click on next. So here you have the entire transfer review. You see the PayPal balance is $200, and then this is my bank, and then this is the time it's going to take to transfer, and the transfer fee is $0, and we're going to go ahead and click on transfer $200 now. So yes, you transferred $200. Estimated arrival is between 1 to 3 days.
A few moments later.
So let's go over to GigPay right now to confirm our withdrawal. So now we are here on GigPay. As you can see, I'm just refreshing this now. So now that I've refreshed it, you can see that our withdrawal has landed to my GigPay account. And as you can see here, you can see total of $200. And what I have currently is $198.02. So they took off a fraction for their charges, right? So the next thing I'm going to do to withdraw this to my bank account, my local bank account, is simply click here. And then the next thing you're going to do is to click on send money. And then here you're going to select the recipient name. So originally when you create a GigPay account, it will ask you to impute your local bank account details. I showed everything on how to do that in the GigPay account creation video. You're going to find the link in the description to watch it and learn how you can create your own US bank account if you don't have a GigPay account. It's very easy, something that you can do in a few minutes. Just follow the instruction in the video and create your own bank account, and you get verified almost instantly. So here you come over to recipients, you select my name. So I'm withdrawing everything. So I'm going to put 198.2. So what I'm withdrawing is $198.02. And what I'm going to be getting in my local bank account is 147,659 Naira to my local bank account. And this is the current black market rate. So here you can see the exchange rate is $1 to 745 Naira. You can add description if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just click on continue right here. So if you want to add a recipient's email address, you can choose to add a recipient email address to this. So let me just go ahead and add 7 Figure Boss Academy. Now it's not necessary that you add this email address, but I'm just adding it for the purpose of this tutorial so that you see that it's possible to add an email to the account that you're sending to, just for the person to get an email. That is if you're not sending it to your personal account. So that is all you need to do. The next thing you need to do is to just click on send money, and then you're going to impute your password. Okay, you're going to impute your password here, and you click on confirm payments, and your money is going to go straight to your local bank account and hit there like bam.
2 seconds later.
And now, as you can see here, in less than 1 minute, the money hits my local bank account. It's awesome how fast these things can be, right? If you're a freelancer and you're in a country where PayPal doesn't work, I just created a community, a Telegram channel where I'm going to be sharing updates on PayPal account creation, latest way to create PayPal account, latest way to withdraw your money from PayPal, how to avoid getting blocked or getting locked out, and so on and so forth. So go ahead and find the link in the description and join the community. I'll be posting updates from time to time as soon as I get updates, because there's a lot that can go wrong even before I set up my camera and make a video for you guys, so I can quickly share it there in the channel and communicate it with you guys before I finally make the video. So go ahead and join the community right now so that you don't miss out on all the information that I'm going to be sharing from now on. And if you have not created your own PayPal account yet, then I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn how you can create your own PayPal account from any country that PayPal doesn't work. And if by any chance you have seen this video, this is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel. So go ahead and watch either of the videos and thank me later.